What you doing with that thing, huh?
You.
You got Matthew's front pack? Are you going to try to take Matthew for a ride?
Alright.
Yeah.
It's over.
Stroller? Not sure how that thing works, do you? Hey, Matthew. Hey. Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. Hey. There's my handsome boy. There's my handsome. Hi. 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 You got a car here? Did your brother give you his car? Look at that, huh? There you go. Good job. Pants? You already have pants on. What are you bringing all these pants out here for? What's the matter? Can you blow a kiss? Can you blow a kiss, Luke? Hey. Hey. Stroller. You really want to go outside, don't you? Oh, Matthew. Hi. Hi. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi. What? Yeah? What? Trying to get a word in edgewise too? Yeah. Yeah.